What if I told you that the key to higher engagement, better conversion, and stronger customer relationships is already in your hands? It's called zero-party data, the data your customers willingly share with you, and in Klaviyo, you can collect way more than just a name and email. Most brands stick to basic custom properties. But if you are only collecting birthdays or first names, you are missing out on a massive opportunity to personalize your marketing and drive more sales. Today, I'm going to show you 6 powerful ways to collect zero-party data in Klaviyo using real-world examples across industries like skincare, healthcare, jewelry, pet brands, hair care, apparel, and more. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Kinga, and I help businesses grow with email marketing, automation, and AI-driven strategies. If you want to get better results with Klaviyo, make sure to subscribe. Let's dive in. Forms are one of the easiest way to collect zero-party data, but instead of just asking for name and email, brands can use custom fields to collect customer preferences. A beauty brand could ask, what's your main skin concern, with options like acne, dryness, sensitivity, or anti-aging. A wellness clinic could ask, what is your primary health goal, with choices like stress relief, weight management, or chronic pain management. A jewelry brand could ask, who are you shopping for? With options like myself, a partner, or a special gift. By gathering this information, you can segment customers based on their interests and send them personalized product recommendations. For best practice, keep the form short. 1 or 2 extra questions is all you need. Most brands don't realize that they can use buttons inside emails and SMS to collect zero-party data without needing a form. Instead of waiting for a customer to fill out a survey, you can collect preferences instantly. So, for example, a pet food brand could send an email with questions like, what size is your pet? With options like small, medium, or large. So, feature emails feature the right-sized pet products. A hair care brand could ask, what's your hair type? With clickable options for straight, wavy, curly, or coil hair, instantly tailoring product recommendations. A fashion retailer could ask, what is your preferred fit? With options like slim, regular, or oversized, ensuring better product suggestions. With a single click, Klaviyo updates the customer's profile, so your next emails will automatically feature relevant product. Use this method in welcome emails also in your campaigns. Make sure the buttons are coded, so the preferences are being registered in each profile. Quizzes are one of the most powerful ways to collect zero-party data because customers love interactive experiences. To give you an example, a footwear company could ask, what's your ideal everyday shoe, with options like sneakers, sandals, boots, or heels, helping personalize recommendations. A sporting goods brand could ask, what's your favorite activity, with options like running, yoga, or hiking, ensuring emails showcase the right gear. A home fragrance brand could ask, what type of scent do you love, with choices like floral, fresh, woody, or sweet. Curating product suggestions. Once customers complete the quiz, you can personalize product recommendations, create custom email flows, and send tailored offers based on their preferences. For best practices, use Klaviyo integrated quiz tools like Octane AI, Typeform, or Okendo to sync responses directly into your customer profiles. Next one are surveys. Surveys allow you to go beyond product recommendations and understand customer intent. For example, a meal delivery company could ask, what's your dietary preference, with options like vegetarian, keto, or gluten-free, helping tailor feature meal plans. A decor brand could ask, what's your home style, with choices like modern, rustic, or minimalistic, helping curate interior inspiration emails. A gift retailer could ask, how often do you shop for gifts, with options like all year round or just for special occasions, allowing for better seasonal promotions. By collecting this data, you can segment customers based on their needs and send personalized content like gift guides, meal plans, or home styling tips. Sometimes the best practice would be to offer a small incentive, a discount, or entry into a giveaway to increase survey participation. When it comes to reviews, most brands ask for basic star ratings, but you can go beyond that by adding custom questions that help refine your marketing. So, for example, automotive brand could ask, what was the main reason for your purchase? With choices like efficiency, safety, or luxury, helping refine marketing messaging and also help other future customers in their decisions. A beauty brand could ask, what lifestyle do you prefer? With options like natural, volume, or dramatic, allowing for targeted upsells. A wellness brand could ask, what's your primary wellness goal? With choices like energy, immunity, or muscle recovery, enabling better product recommendations. These answers help you recommend the right products, retarget buyers for repurchase, identify top performing products. So best practice would be to sync your review data to Klaviyo custom properties and use it to personalize your email flows. A preferred center allows customers to update their own data, ensuring that you always have the most accurate information. So, for example, a beauty brand could let customers select their preferred nail shape, almond, square, or round, to send product recommendations that match their style. A home goods retailer could let customers choose their preferred email frequency, which is weekly, monthly, or only for sales, keeping them engaged without overwhelming their inboxes. A gardening brand could allow customers to choose their gardening level, let's say beginners, intermediate, or advanced, to personalize tips and product suggestions. This empowers customers while keeping your email list clean and engaged. For best practices would be to send preference center reminders, update your preferences, and get personalized recommendations. So by using forms, custom buttons, quizzes, surveys, customer reviews, and utilizing profile preference centers, you can turn your Klaviyo account into a data powerhouse and your emails to convert at a much higher rate. So which of these strategies are you already using? Drop a comment below. And if this video was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Klaviyo and email marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.